The sun's apparent travel towards the north is considered the start of auspicious days in the Hindu calendar or Panchang. Commonly, Makar Sankranti and Uttarayan are celebrated together. However, Uttarayan, or the apparent movement of the sun towards the north, starts after the winter solstice, that is 22nd December. Uttarayan is a time of hope and positivity. It scientifically means longer days and shorter nights as opposed to Dakshinayan when days are shorter and nights are longer. It is believed in Hinduism that one human year is equal to one day of God. So, 6 months of Dakshinayan is the night of God when God is sleeping, and 6 months of Uttarayan is the day of God when he is awake. So, all auspicious activities are to be performed at this time. Uttarayan period around Makar Sankranti is also the start of the harvesting season. So, it is associated with all positive things like food, more sunlight, and the absence of harsh cold climate in the northern hemisphere. Sun is Pratyaksh Brahman, and Makar Sankranti is a celebration and thanksgiving to the source of the life on this earth. According to Mahabharata, Bhishma Pitama was granted a boon of Ikshamrityu, and so he could decide the day of his death. He waited for several days on the bed of arrows in Kurukshetra and left his body only when Surya was Uttarayan. Bhishma Pitama's choice to liberate himself from his physical and karmic bondage symbolizes the importance of this period. Makar Sankranti is the day of celebration of relations, especially for parents and their children, since it's believed that during this period, Lord Surya visits his son, Lord Shani, and stays with him for a month, though they share a hostile relationship. This signifies the importance of family relationships beyond personal differences. Makar Sankranti is one of the few Hindu festivals based on the solar calendar. According to a legend, goddess Ganga descended to earth on this day and reached Kapil Muni ashram in Ganga Sagar, purifying the ashes of 60,000 descendants of King Bhagirath. So, it's a ritual by devout Hindus to visit Ganga Sagar on Makar Sankranti. Bhagirath undertook deep penance to get holy Ganga on earth, resulting in a commonly used term of Bhagirath Prayatna for any extraordinary superhuman effort. On Makar Sankranti, when the sun is Uttarayan, let's liberate ourselves from the bondage of negativity. Wash off our negative emotions, sins, and start afresh. The widespread ritual of taking a dip in holy water on Makar Sankranti symbolizes undergoing inner purification. It's the time when we must vouch for taking up Bhagirath Prayatna for a cause, however difficult, but resulting in collective good.